Hi there, and welcome to Pluro. In this quick tour, we'll walk you through how our platform helps you tackle web accessibility easily, effectively, and in full alignment with global compliance standards like WCAG and ADA. Pluro is built with AI at its core, supporting you every step of the way, from identifying accessibility issues to resolving them efficiently, whether directly in your source code or through assisted guidance. This is a short walkthrough of the key features, just enough to get you started. For anything more advanced, we've got additional resources and support ready for you. Let's dive in.
Adding a website. Let's go ahead and add a new website to the Pluro platform. From your dashboard, click the New Website button at the top right. This opens up our installation wizard. Hit Start Wizard to begin. Start by entering a few basic details about the site you're adding: the website's URL, which system it's built on, and its primary language. Then click Next. Now, this part will look a little different depending on your account. If you're on a free trial, you'll go straight to script installation. But in our case, since we're on a paid account, you'll first choose the package that best fits the site. Pick the right plan, then click Purchase. Next, you'll fill in your billing info, apply a coupon code if you have one, and hit Proceed. Now you'll see the Pluro script. This is a small snippet of code that needs to be placed in the section of every page on your website. Similar to Google Analytics, you can add it through your CMS, a tag manager, or directly into your site's code. Once installed, you can verify the installation in the portal. If you plan to apply fixes directly in your source code or through an API or webhook, you can skip this part. Click Next, and now it's time to set up the scanner. Click the New Entity button to add pages you want Pluro to scan automatically. Enter the name of the page, its URL, choose how often it should be scanned, daily, weekly, or monthly depending on your package, and set the date for the first scan. Then click Schedule. After you've added all the pages you want, click Next. Here you'll see a summary, your home page's current accessibility score, and the list of pages added for scanning. Hit Next again, and you're back at the dashboard. Your website is now live on Pluro. Portal Overview. Let's take a look at the heart of the platform, the portal. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll find quick access to all of Pluro's main tools: the portal itself, the scanner, the fixer, the accessibility checker, and support. This is your navigation hub, keeping everything just a click away. At the top, you've got system notifications, like license expiration alerts, plus access to your user menu, where you can manage your profile or account settings. Now let's focus on the portal view, which is split into two main sections. On the left side, you'll see a list of all your websites currently added to Pluro. These are sorted by accessibility status, with critical websites shown at the top so you can address the most urgent issues first. Each site card displays the number of issues found, how many are critical, and a visual progress bar reflecting the overall accessibility score. Each website also has a set of quick action icons. The gear icon opens your website settings. The chart icon takes you to the website overview, where you'll get a full breakdown of its accessibility health. The reload icon is used to clear the website cache, helpful after changes have been made. On the right side, you've got the activity log, a timeline of everything that's happened across your websites. From scans and fixes to issue updates, this is where you can stay up to date and take quick action. You can also filter this view to focus on specific types of activity. This layout is designed to guide you toward what matters most, surfacing the sites that need attention and giving you the tools to fix them fast. Website overview and settings. Now that you've added your site, let's explore what you'll find in the website overview. This screen gives you a full snapshot of your site's accessibility status. On the left, you'll see the accessibility summary, including your current accessibility score, the number of critical issues, alerts, and manual issues. You'll also see when the last scan was run. In the center is your subscription status, showing plan type, registration date, current subscription, and renewal dates. You can also manage your subscription or share a payment link from here. To the right is the fixing status, showing the number of fixes completed on your website and in the last month, along with any unresolved issues grouped by type. To dig deeper, click the Accessibility Status button. Here, you can track your site's accessibility score over time, view scan history, and compare tracked versus fixed issues. You'll see each scan's type, manual or auto, which page was scanned, how many issues were found, and how many were resolved. You can also click Report to get a full breakdown of each scan. Now let's move on to the website settings, where you can control how your site is integrated with Pluro. Integration options. Here's where you'll find the Pluro script, the same one we talked about during setup. You can copy it directly from here. If you're using API or webhooks, you can generate new keys or URLs at the bottom of this screen, and you can choose whether to include the visual widget or just use the accessibility code on its own. Function configuration. Set menus. This is where you define menu titles for specific selectors. It helps the screen readers better interpret your navigation structure. Nav configuration. Here, you can define things like skip blocks, excluded elements, or landmark areas like the main menu, sidebar, or accessibility statement. Blocks configuration. This is a powerful section. It's where Pluro saves many of the scanner-detected fixes, like tooltips, alt text, and area adjustments. You'll see selectors and their new values here, ready to apply or edit. Advanced code. Any custom code, like CSS or JavaScript, that's either generated through the fixer or manually added by you, lives here. This is perfect for more advanced accessibility adjustments. Style configuration. Next up is visual customization. In the desktop and mobile tabs, you can adjust where the accessibility widget appears on your site. The color palette lets you fully customize the look and feel of the widget to match your brand, from button colors to hover states and icon styling. Other tabs. Subscription, manage or upgrade the site's subscription plan here. Website management. Use this if you need to transfer ownership of the website to another Pluro user. Notifications. Customize email alerts for scans, issues, and activity on this specific website. Using the scanner. Next, let's walk through how to scan your website for accessibility issues using the scanner tool. Start by heading to the Scanner tab in the sidebar and selecting the website you want to work on. You'll see two tabs at the top, Auto Scanner and Manual Scanner. Let's break down the difference. The manual scanner allows you to run scans on demand. You can click Scan next to any listed page, and Pluro will immediately analyze it for accessibility issues. The auto scanner runs in the background based on a frequency you set, daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on your subscription package. Right below that, you'll also see how many scans you have available for the month. This number depends on the plan selected when you added the website. In the manual scanner, you'll find all the pages you've added for scanning manually. To scan a page, just click Scan, and it'll start immediately. Want to scan a new page? Just hit New Entity in the top right, enter the page name and URL, and then click Scan. That page is now part of your manual scanning list. Now let's switch to the auto scanner. Here, the pages listed are scanned automatically based on the schedule you've set. To add a new page for automatic scanning, click New Entity, then fill in the details. The name of the page, its URL, how often it should be scanned, daily, weekly, or monthly, and when the first scan should occur. Then click Schedule, and that page will be added to your auto-scanning queue. You'll automatically receive a notification once each scan is complete. That's it. Scanning with Pluro is designed to be flexible, whether you're checking things on the fly or monitoring over time. Next, let's take a look at how we fix issues using the fixer. Fixing accessibility issues with the fixer. Now let's explore the fixer, where most of the accessibility improvements actually happen. Start by clicking the Fixer tab in the sidebar and select the website you want to work on. At the top, you'll see your current accessibility score and a fixing over time graph showing how many issues have been resolved by type: critical, alert, or manual. This gives you a clear picture of your progress. You'll also see an issue notification area with any urgent problems flagged. Below that, associated with your website. Each one shows how many issues were found, grouped by type, along with the last scan date. Inside the fixer. Once you're inside the fixer, your screen is divided into two sections. On the left, there's a panel with the total number of issues, view modes for desktop, tablet, and mobile, options to categorize issues by WCAG criteria or by severity, and explanations of each principle. So, if you're not sure what something means, help is right there. On the right, you'll see your website, fully interactive, with all issues highlighted directly on the page. You can click on any warning icon to bring up the issue details and fix it right there. The Fix pop-up. Now, let's break down the Fix pop-up. At the top, you'll find the educational section. Why is it important? What to do? Who is affected? This helps you understand the problem in real-world terms, not just as code. Below that is the technical breakdown, a short description of the issue, the HTML snippet where the problem occurs, and the element selector showing exactly where it is on the page. Now for the actual fixing. If you're applying fixes directly inside the fixer and not through your source code, you'll use the fields provided. These might ask you to add missing area labels, adjust heading levels, or fix tab orders. For more complex fixes, you can use our AI Copilot. It will analyze the issue and generate suggested code. Review the code carefully, and when you're ready, paste it into the provided CSS or JavaScript field and click Fix. If the issue just needs manual confirmation, like a color contrast check, simply click I have reviewed and confirm. That will mark the issue as resolved. And if you prefer to fix things in your own codebase, no problem. Just follow the instructions in the pop-up and make the changes in your source code.